You know that man, no. You know that man, no. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today, I am bringing you this delicious, mouth-watering, juicy grilled food chicken recipe for Christmas, okay? So let's go. So in a bowl, we are going to prepare our marinade. So I added some soy sauce, some ketchup, garlic powder, some chili pepper, chicken seasoning, my mise en place, that's my blended garlic, ginger, onion, some black peppercorn, and please note I am going to list all the ingredients in the description box so you check it out, okay? But please be mindful of the salt, okay? So now we mix our marinade and just look at how thick it is. So now we move to our chicken. So this is my full chicken. I have bisected it. So you can see I am patting it dry. But please clip the wings, yes, because they normally burn, okay? So now I apply some oil just to moisturize my chicken. Yes. So now I applied my marinade. So you gently massage the chicken, okay? Be a good masseuse to the chicken, okay? My marinade no era canes nina. What you say? Yes, that was the seasoning. Marinate all parts and canes of the full chicken. So this Christmas, just make this juicy, full grilled chicken for the family, and trust me, they are gonna enjoy it, okay? They are going to say, just give me some more. Hey, mommy, just give me some more. Yeah, so I pat the skin and then I load it with more marinade. So the chicken should engulf the marinade. That is where we will derive the juiciness and the sweetness from. I hope you get it. Yes. So now that we are done, I am going to cling film my chicken and then refrigerate it overnight. And then the next morning, very early in the morning, I am going to bake or grill my chicken in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, okay? So you can just refrigerate it for like 3, 6, or 12 hours, but I am doing mine overnight. And then this morning, voila, just look at this. This is our results. Juicy, delicious, mouth-watering, very soft and tender, full grilled chicken. Family, I bet you need to try this. Just follow this step-by-step procedure and you'll be happy you did. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come, especially my returning viewers, my new subscribers. If you are new, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay? So we are pairing our chicken with some jollof rice, some beef sauce, and some salad. So friends and family, why don't you join me? Let's enjoy lunch, okay? Thank you and see you in our next video. I love you guys, okay? Bye-bye.